a shoe business. Welcome to the best guide on how to start a shoe business. I am positive you will be able and set to start your own shoe business after this. With this guide, you'll be able to start a shoe business from home or get shop if you want to. How to start a shoe business. Shoes are without doubt one of the most sought after basic personal needs of individuals across the planet. It has and is becoming acceptable even in the extremely rural part of Africa that still walk barefooted. It shows how successful you can be when you start your own shoe business because virtually everyone and anyone could be your potential customer. Step 1, Training. Learn how to make shoes. All you have to do is locate a very good shoemaker or producer to learn and master the skills, how to make shoes. Go for a quality shoemaker even if it's beyond your convenience in terms of distance or location. Step 2, Business Plan. You can hire a freelancer to help you write a detailed business plan on how to start a shoe business if you can't do it yourself or order for one online for a particular fee. Step 3, Get a good location. Your location is where your customers can easily reach you. It could be your home or a rented space. You should have known your target audience at this stage, because they will determine where your product will be cited or displayed to be easily seen and purchased. Step 4, Business Name. A business name is that which your shoe business would be identified as or called. Step 5, Register your business. Before you kickstart a shoe business or in its introductory stage, make sure you contact the appropriate bodies or organization and register your business. Step 6, Produce, make quality footwears. Conduct market research. Through your research, you'll get to know what's trending and accepted by target audience. Step 7, Brand, label and package your shoe. Firstly, to brand, you are required to create a name, symbol, logo, or other item that will be used to distinguish your shoes or footwear from others. Secondly, to label a shoe, you are to provide a few details on materials used in producing those shoes and attach it to the shoe. Step 9, Market your shoes. Create a blog or YouTube channel when you start a shoe business. You can also contact a popular blog in your country or region to help you advertise your shoe. Summary on how to start a shoe business from home. 1. Know your target audience. 2. Learn how to make shoes. 3. Decide if you want to start on a small or large scale. 4. Write your business plan. 5. Choose a business name. 6. Arrange a place around for working or get a good location. 7. Register your business. 8. Buy the necessary equipments. 9. Start making your own shoes. 10. Brand and package the shoes.